And a good Wednesday afternoon to you. A chilly one at that. Man, you can definitely feel it outside. SkyTrak 13 meteorologist Sean Ash here on WTHR.com and our mobile apps. Boy, man, temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s. Going to get right to your forecast here. We're going to call for some flurries across the region. Had a couple of reports, one in Castleton already, one in Lafayette. Very light stuff, but the next 24 hours, certainly fair game at any given point in time for flurries or a few passing snow showers. The wind is a big player from the northwest. We had our high today officially of 35. And that makes it the coldest daytime high we've had since March 25th and a good 20 below normal. And this is really why this is so noteworthy, that we're going to have temperatures running a good 15 to 20 below the normal for the next 7 days. And the coldest pocket might be showing up early next week. So more on that in just a little bit. Let's run you through what's going to be taking place here the next 24, 36 hours. Wind chill values in the lower 20s and upper teens. So this is a big shock compared to the 60s that we had yesterday. It feels about 40 degrees colder. A lot of false radar echoes being picked up on the local radar, but again, we've had some reports of some very light flurries, and when we get over to in central Illinois, a little more substantial snow shower action, and that's part of a disturbance that's going to be pushing across the region. So that's why we think here, again, possibility of seeing some flakes every now and then the next 24 hours. And this is all being driven by that big upper level low spinning across southeast Canada. As I expand the map and show you the front and where it's been and where it's going, man, take a look here. I'm going to take myself out of the camera shot and we'll show you. Keep an eye on Denver, keep an eye on Nashville and Little Rock. This is the last 48-hour progression of this Arctic front. Very, very impressive. All the way down into the southeast. In Atlanta on borrowed time right now at 63. The front probably passes by there this afternoon. North side of the front, it feels more like January. You can see the change over the last 24 hours. Rather dramatic here in central Indiana in the mid-20s. So we're not going to see these temperatures budge much because of that overcast that you see. Time of taping is a little after 1 o'clock. We're at 31 in the city, and I think 33 might be optimistic in some locations. We'll keep the flurries around and play this evening. And as we go through Future Track 13, obviously it is not even close to being accurate on the low cloud deck, so it's not handling that at all. I think the idea here is that the disturbance that pivots through keeps the flurry and snow shower chances in play probably until at least late tomorrow afternoon. And again, I think it's being very optimistic with sunshine tomorrow. I think we're probably going to be more clouds than anything here the next couple of days. So the Thursday forecast, similar to today, mostly cloudy, breezy, and daytime highs that will be right around the freezing mark here. And notice, again, this is widespread cold as we head into the afternoon. Let's take you into the evening. If you recall the video from yesterday, we talked about the possibility of seeing some snow showers and maybe some accumulating snow here heading into the weekend. That still is in play. There's still some uncertainty on where this system is going to intensify. Is it going to be right along the Ohio River? Is it going to be farther south and east of us? That's still up in the air at this point in time. But we do feel like there is the possibility, again, of seeing some snow and maybe some accumulation here. I'll show you the overall pattern, and it stays cold here through the next 7 days. And as we go into the weekend, you'll start to see a little trough developing back to the west of us. So there should be some sort of surface feature developing on the east side of that axis. Where exactly that's going to be dictates whether or not we're going to see accumulation or if it's just a little glancing blow and it's farther south, Ohio River, southward and eastward. But what you do notice is that the trough really begins to deepen and dipping south heading into early next week. And why that's important is that likely the coldest air of yet of this little stretch run might be showing up heading into Tuesday. Highs might even be in the mid-20s. So that's what we're looking ahead toward. The system that we were talking about yesterday, I still can't rule that out here late next week. And we'll kind of fine-tune in that and work on that here the next several days. All right, let's show you the 7-day forecast now as we go through today. That 35 high, we've already hit that. We're likely low 30s for this afternoon. And thankfully, cloud cover keeps us in the mid-20s tonight. We may get into teens tomorrow night and into Friday night. Snow possibility again Saturday night, Sunday, maybe Sunday night as well. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that. We appreciate you choosing us for your weather information. Pass the word, and we'll try to keep these videos coming.